Hi everyone, I'm John Allen Mollenhauer. My friends call me John Allen or by my initials JAM, and I hope you will too. If we don't already know each other, coming in and out of the center, I'm the founder of Regenus Center here in East Hanover, and this video is really just to introduce you to a new program that we're coming out with called Regenerate. It's a 4-week energy reset, and it's based on the premise that, as people come in and out of the door at Regenus Center, there are two buckets of people. People who really have a lifestyle that is supporting their energy, their health, and their performance, and others in the other bucket who really don't. They're overwhelmed, they're exhausted, they're overstimulated and under-recuperated, a lot of times overfed, undernourished, or sometimes eating just too much healthy food. They're super busy, but they're physically inactive, and they're tiring, burning, and wearing themselves out. Now, both those people come into the center, and one group will invariably get better results than the other group, largely because they're not pouring water in one end of the bucket with a big hole on the other side. And there's a basic lifestyle pattern that is probably at the crux of everything I've taught as a performance lifestyle coach throughout my career. And it is the difference between someone who thrives as a driven high achiever and someone who literally is just surviving and maybe coming into Regenus Center thinking that red light therapy is going to prop them up. And it will. But if you combine both this lifestyle pattern that I'm talking about, plus use supplemental advanced recovery technology like you're getting here at Regenus Center, amazing things happen. And I'm going to be teaching this in what's called Regenerate. It's an opportunity to make what we like to refer to as a regeneration transformation, which is not like, old fitness transformations or nutrition transformations. It's actually the ultimate transformation, because when you really start to live in a way that proactively recharges and restores your energy and rejuvenates your body on a regular basis, that's when everything goes up. So I really look forward to you being part of this. We want you here when you come as a customer or client into Regenus Center to get the best results possible. We don't stop at just providing these amazing shiny objects, which they are, except they work. We also teach you the lifestyle that goes on behind the scenes, so that when you're not in the center becomes a supplement to that. And we want to teach you the most important lifestyle pattern that you need to know to really be living your life like a pro. So sign up down below. It's only $97. It's for 4 weeks. We're going to do it like 4 Wednesdays in a row, and we're going to record all of the materials in case you're not here. But I highly, highly suggest you take advantage of this offer, because it really makes the difference if you really want to get the best results coming to a regeneration facility like Regenus Center. So I'll talk to you soon, and have a great day.